Hi there, how are you? I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm having a great day. It's fall. I put up some Halloween decor, if you can see right there. Okay, wait, I always get mixed up with the camera. Here we go. Do you see those floating witch hats I have right there? I put those up last night and they're so fun. It kind of gives me like Harry Potter vibe. Fall in general just gets me so excited, but we're not here to talk about that. We're not here to talk about decor. We're here to talk about how you can grow your Avon customer base. But before you continue, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, as I do come out with new Avon related videos every single week, from tutorials to reviews to training videos like this one. And if you're not an Avon representative yet, you're still kind of looking around, feeling the waters, go ahead and leave any comments that you have for me down below. I would love to answer them for you. And if you would love to be on my team, I would also love that too. So go ahead and check out this description box down below. I'll have my sign up link. I also have my email in there, so if you just want to contact me directly, go ahead and email me. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into what this tip is. Alrighty, so you can see right here, I am on my online store. As Avon representatives, we all get a free online store, which is super cool. We don't have to pay an annual or a weekly or a monthly membership for this online store, but it's completely free for us. And so I'm on mine. I'm going to show you guys how, if you don't know how to find your personal online store link, I'm going to show you very quickly how you can do that. And so you're going to log into your Avon backend, which is Avon Now or your Avon.com. Go ahead and enter your account number and your password. And then let me go ahead and move my little face over here. This is what you're going to see when you log into your Avon account. And so you are going to go over here to where it says My Store. Click that and you're going to see it says Copy Link, View Store, Edit Store. So this is that link. This is your online store link. So just go ahead and copy it. It's copied right there. And paste that link. So we're on my online store, as you guys can see. Let's go ahead and talk about what you can do to build your sales. And this is sharing the Avon sweepstakes. So every single one of us as representatives, we have a sweepstakes link that is linked to our online store. The cool thing is that Avon makes it kind of seem like it's your giveaway, your sweepstakes. And I'm not gonna lie, that's how I market it, or that's how I talk about it. I don't say it's Avon's giveaway or Avon's sweepstake. I say it's my sweepstake because it's on my online store, which I think is a little more appealing versus saying it's Avon's sweepstake. In reality, it is Avon's sweepstake, but it's living on my online store, so I just call it my sweepstakes. So I'm going to show you quickly where you can find this sweepstakes. Again, I'm on my online store. I'm going to go right here where it says sales and specials, and then I'm going to come over here where it says featured offers. This is a very important page for you to look at every single campaign. This does change every single campaign, or maybe once a month it changes. I definitely know the sweepstakes usually last a month. I've seen one in the summer that lasted a couple of months, but typically it's a month. As you guys can see right here, here is where you're going to find the sweepstakes. Go ahead and click that. You can see it says here, Love Your Skin Sweepstakes, enter for a chance to win. So this is what the sweepstakes is going to look like for your customer. So this is the link, as you guys can see up here, I just highlighted it, that you want to share with your customers, okay? Why is it important that you share this link compared to another link? This link is going to go back to your online store, as you can see. So I will just double click it, copy it right here, and then paste it wherever I want to put it. Okay, so let's take a look at what this kind of looks like. Here is where your customer has to fill out, or customer, friend, family member, whoever is filling this out has to fill out their information. Why do we want to share the sweepstakes? So let's say I share this and somebody starts filling this out. They fill it out, boom, they put in their email, continue. And guess what? Their email is now in my Avon address book. I can start sending them promotions, coupons. They're going to start receiving offers from Avon. So automatically, I can kind of start bringing them in and start sending them awesome coupons. So as you guys see, it's a free way that you can get people onto your Avon email list. And it's really important, guys, especially if you're a new representative watching this, start building that Avon email list as soon as possible. The most important thing though is to let that person know to keep this little check mark right here blue. If they uncheck it, they are not going to be signed up for your email. So they have to keep that check. The thing is, when you log into your Avon account, you can actually see who has not subscribed to your emails and who has not. So let's say somebody fills it out, they uncheck this, you can check in your Avon backend and it will let you know if they unsubscribed. You can actually reach out to that person and you can say, you know, hey Janae, like I saw that you unsubscribed from my emails. I just wanted to let you know that I was planning on sending you some amazing coupons so you can save some money on your Avon order. Let me know if you want this step so you can resubscribe so you can go ahead and get some free products from me. Something like that, okay? This one is for a month long, so promote the sweepstakes throughout the month. I mean, it's a free way that you can promote your business, grow your Avon email list, and your friends, family, customers can pick up some free Avon product, okay? So now I want to talk about ways that you can share the sweepstakes, because for me personally, I think especially if you have the product, be creative with the ways that you share the sweepstake. Don't just copy and paste the link and expect people to come rolling in. I mean, they may, but we as people, like, we are thrown, you know, advertisements at all times. So you want something to stand out. And I think when you show your face on camera, you're going to stand out a little bit more versus just copying and pasting a link. So what I mean by that is if you have the product, sorry, my eyelashes. If you have the product, go ahead and film a tutorial. Like for example, I went ahead and this morning, actually, I went live on my Facebook business page and I did a tutorial on this look. And I talked about beforehand, like how important it is to prep your skin whenever you're doing makeup. It's really important that you're moisturizing and you're prepping and, you know, all that with your skin. And I talked about what I used on my skin this morning, and I talked about the new Equinox line. I'm always trying to find different ways, depending on the sweepstakes, and how I can incorporate the products that are in the sweepstakes into whatever I'm doing as far as marketing. So as you can see, I went ahead and shared the link to my sweepstakes right there because I went ahead. Let me see, it was almost a 40-minute live that I did. So I talked about my skincare, I showed it, and I made sure to sprinkle it in throughout the live. Like, hey guys, don't forget to enter my giveaway that I'm doing on my favorite anti-aging skincare line. So that's a way that you can do it, just with a basic live. If you have the product, talk about it. So even if you don't have the products, it's totally fine. You can still mention it in any type of marketing that you do for yourself. So, you know, email, going live on Facebook, Instagram, just make sure you mention it every single month. Again, it's completely free for you to do so. So now I want to share another example of a way that I talk about our sweepstakes but do it in an exciting way. And I created a fun piece of content that went live on Instagram. I think I shared it everywhere. Guys, look at this. It's got 1,321 views. And so I got a lot of comments on it. And I remember the next day or the 2 days after, I went and looked at my Avon email address book, and I had people in there that had never purchased me before but wanted to get some free products. So it was a great opportunity, a great way for me to send them promotions based on that. And guys, it really does work. I have people that have ordered from me because I send them those promotions. And so make sure you are promoting the sweepstakes. And if you're not comfortable with doing video, that's totally fine, guys. Just take baby steps. I was the same way when I first started. I was scared to go on video, but taking photos for me was absolutely fine. I knew that in order for me to grow my business, I had to venture out a little bit, step outside of my comfort zone, and start off with pictures. If you don't want to include yourself in the picture at first, just take a picture of the product. Guys, I'm telling you, it's better than just posting a link and that's it. But if you have the product, show it in action. Okay, so take a picture of the product and then maybe take baby steps into you actually using the product or going live, taking a video of yourself. And if the sound of your own voice, you know, scares you or you just hate it, because I was like that at first, then just put music over the video. You don't have to talk in the video, okay? And so before I leave you guys, I want to show you where you can find your Avon address book. And so when you go back to your Avon account, so that's going to be avonnow.com. You're going to go here to where it says Manage Business and go down to where it says Web Office. And then as you can see right here where it says Manage Address Book, here is where you will see all of your customers in your address book. And so if you have somebody that tells you, hey, I want to get some Avon promotions, you can go ahead and add them. Actually, if you click where it says plus customer, first name, last name, email. You can create groups, which I do that based on birthdays. So I also ask people, you know, what's your birthday month? And then I'll include them into that birthday month group. This is, again, where you can see if people are subscribed or not. So make sure if somebody's unchecked, that means they're unsubscribed to your Avon email list. But there you have it, guys. What do you think? Are you surprised about Avon sweepstakes? I remember I was so surprised when I found out about this. I was just like, oh my gosh, I should have been using this this free way to grow my sales, my customer base when I first started Avon. And I hope you learned a little something new and you thought of some ideas, some ways that you can share these sweepstakes. If you're terrified to post yourself or post a video or a photo online, then just go ahead and share the link. It's better than not doing anything, okay? So just share the link. But thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.